Hey y'all, today I will be reviewing Sensational Wet Lace in the style Quiana, and I got it in the color Secret Highlight Honey. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package. I didn't customize it at all as far as the plucking. However, I did add some lace tint to the lace prior to filming. First thing I'm doing is cutting the air tabs off on each side of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Now I'm cutting my lace into 3 sections, and to install my lace today, I'm going in with the Kiss Colors Lace Bond. I'm using my blow dryer on a medium heat setting until the adhesive spray is somewhat dry. Then I will go in and lay my lace down. I'm using the blow dryer again on the same setting just to make sure that the lace is fully glued down. Then you want to do that same process to the other 2 sections of the lace. Now I'm going back in with that same adhesive spray, and I'm going to spray a thin layer of the spray on top of the lace just to ensure that the lace is fully secured and glued down. This step will help the install to last longer as well. I'm using the leftover makeup that was on my makeup brush to blend the lace a little bit more with my skin tone. Now I'm going in with my elastic band, and I'm also going to go in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting to really get that melted lace look. I do this step for about 5 minutes with my blow dryer, and then I will leave my elastic band on for an extra 10 minutes. Now it's time to cut the lace off, and I like to cut my lace in sections, starting with that middle section. I'm going to cut in a zigzag motion, and I like to cut this way because it gives the lace more of a natural look. I'm using the lace spray to lay the areas that did not fully glue down after I cut the lace off. So now that the lace is fully glued down and dry, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. Now I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and a firm brush, and I'm going to go over the top of this wig to really get that flat install type of look. Doing this step before going in with a hot comb will really help you get that nice, flat, natural look. Now it's time to do the baby hairs, and for my baby hairs, I do like to pull out only a thin layer of baby hairs because I like to go for that light, natural baby hair type of look. still going for that light baby hair type of look, I'm gonna go in with my tweezers and tweeze a generous amount of hair from this section. I'm gonna also tweeze the hairline area as well, just to give it more of a natural type of look. The way I always know where to cut my baby hairs is to always cut just above where the top point of my eyebrow is at, and then I will go back in and just cut a little bit more. I'm using my thin edge flat iron to curl my baby hairs downwards, and this technique will really help to give your baby hairs that fluffy baby hair type of look. To style my baby hairs, I like to use the Got2b Insta Hold adhesive spray. You want to make sure that you start styling the baby hairs as soon as you spray that spray. A little tip is, if you want the baby hairs to stay down and last longer, right after you style the baby hairs, go right in with a blow dryer to dry the baby hairs faster and set them in place. I'm going in with my hot comb on the lowest heat setting to flatten down this wig. Now it's time to detangle this hair and really figure out the style of this unit. And so I'm going in with my vent brush, and I like to start from the bottom and then work my way up to the top to prevent any knots, especially when it comes to synthetic wigs. I forgot to style the sideburn area on this unit, so now I'm just going in and finishing that. I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. Now I'm just doing final touches on this wig. I'm going to go back in with my hot comb to make sure that this unit is nice and flat. And then afterwards, I'm just going to kind of style it the way I want it to be styled on me. Okay, so here are the final results of the Sensational Quiana unit, and I literally love the way that this unit came out. I think the obvious thing that pops out about this unit is the colorway. The blonde streaks on this unit really gives this unit a very unique type of look. I also like the way that this unit is curled. Although the unit isn't layered too much, It still gives off that slight illusion of layers and volume as well. When you look at the unit from the side, it doesn't show too much of the blonde streaks, which I like because something about like a little peekaboo of blonde is so cute to me. Here's how the back of the unit look. It looks very full. It doesn't have any gaps in it, which is a very good thing. Overall, I really do like this unit. I love a lot of things about it, from the way that it is curled, from the colorway. I do love how it has a really deep parting space as well, and the lace looks really good on this unit. Thank you so much for watching. That is the end of this video. Please comment down below on how you like this unit, and stay tuned for my next video.